The Saka did not see nature as separate from themselves. Neither did their women. The steppe was not conquered. It was respected. Rivers were approached with gratitude. Animals were hunted with ritual, acknowledging the life taken. Women taught children to thank the earth, to return ashes to soil, to waste nothing. Love for nature was intimate. Women felt seasons in their bodies. They read weather in clouds, sensed danger in silence, and trusted instinct shaped by land. Nature was not gentle, but it was honest, and honesty created respect.